Welcome back to the Beecommerce Daily Buzz. It is Monday, April 27th, 2026.
As April winds down, marketers are grappling with the new rules of authority and measurement. Today, we are looking at what it actually takes to get cited by generative AI engines, how to escape the tracking limitations of social platforms, and why 3D product visuals are skyrocketing customer spend. Let's get into it.
Let's kick things off with the big story, the AI citation code and foundational strategy. Earning visibility in AI summaries requires a complete departure from traditional keyword optimization.
Exactly. MSN explored a crucial question for enterprise marketers today. What gets B2B brands cited in GenAI answers? The consensus points heavily to proprietary data, original research, and deeply structured content over generic SEO fluff. Large language models are specifically trained to source answers from recognized, definitive entities.
To achieve this level of authority, going back to basics is absolutely essential. Backlinko recently updated its comprehensive guide on overarching marketing strategy, emphasizing that robust, entity-driven brand building is the prerequisite for algorithmic recognition. If your broader strategy lacks unique value propositions, the AI agents will simply ignore your domain entirely.
Moving over to the shift, open web measurement and Shopify scaling. Relying entirely on closed social platforms is becoming a major liability for media buyers. Taboola just published a deep dive on attribution measurement on the open web.
They're offering strategies for tracking conversions across native placements and publisher sites without relying on walled garden pixels. As signal loss increases, diversifying your traffic sources requires an airtight, independent measurement framework.
And once that high-intent traffic is captured, the backend needs to convert flawlessly. MSN provided a great blueprint on how to master Shopify to fuel your store growth. The focus is heavily on maximizing average order value through optimized storefront architecture, upselling funnels, and streamlined checkout integrations.
Now for three things in ad tech and retail. Speaker 2, what are we tracking today?
Number 1, the viral arbitrage machine. Decentralized content amplification is the new growth hack. Forbes profiled the shadowy mechanics behind modern influencer loops, detailing the creator of Clipping, who powers Stake's viral machine. It is a fascinating masterclass in utilizing mass micro-influencers to absolutely dominate short-form video algorithms.
Number 2, TikTok versus Meta ads. The debate over budget allocation continues to dominate performance marketing circles. On Reddit, a vibrant discussion is asking, should I use TikTok Promote or Insta ads? For those actively tracking and monitoring both platforms simultaneously, the thread highlights the shifting CPAs, engagement quality, and audience retention differences currently separating the two rivals.
Number 3, 3D visualization drives ROI. Static images are no longer enough for e-commerce checkouts. My HFA reports that 3D visualization drives higher spend and increases overall customer satisfaction. It gives consumers the tactile confidence they need to convert on high-ticket items while simultaneously significantly reducing return rates.
Before we wrap up, let's take a quick look off the clock at the apparel trends we are watching.
Bluffton Today highlighted new data as Printful unveiled the top streetwear trends to watch in 2026 for e-commerce brands. For merchants building out their apparel catalogs, tapping into 1990s nostalgia aesthetics, specifically grunge and minimalist styles, continues to be a highly lucrative angle for capturing current consumer demand.
The bots want your original research and the influencers are clipping their way to the top. That's all for today's Beecommerce Daily Buzz. See you tomorrow.